Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up CapCut templates for consistent creator branding. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import your footage or images that you want to work with. Navigate to the templates option in the main menu. Click on Create Template to start a new design. Choose a layout that aligns with your branding style. Add text boxes for titles or captions. Customize the font style, size, and color to match your brand. Incorporate your logo into the template for consistent branding. Adjust the placement and size of your logo to ensure visibility. Select the background color or image that resonates with your brand identity. Use transitions that reflect your creative style between clips. Save your template by clicking on the Save icon in the top right corner. Give your template a memorable name for easy access later. To apply your new template, start a new project with fresh footage. Access the Templates section and select your saved template. Drag your footage into the designated areas of the template. Preview the project to ensure everything looks aligned with your brand. Make any necessary adjustments to text or graphics. Finally, export your project in the desired resolution and format. Your CapCut templates are now set up for consistent creator branding. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.